Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful weekend. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash up thumbs up, and we're going to jump into Bitcoin, Ethereum trades, check what they're telling us, and I'll also look at BNB as well, or another altcoin, Sol. I'll do Sol because a lot of you requested. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and do all your trading on the Bybit link down below in the description. You sign up with that link, you get a $4,450 bonus when you sign up using that Bybit link. If you signed up with anyone else's Bybit link, make sure you use that one. Create a new account using the link below. Transfer your funds over, you get that bonus, and you go under my trading team. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. I've still got Bitcoin long open. Everything remaining the same from earlier today. In the longer term time frame, we're still playing out in this bull flag. We're getting that bouncing through. Target will be 22,720. We had a big movement yesterday. We're breaking to the upside. We're creating also a W formation. The big resistance will be at that 220. Now that's at that point, it depends whether Bitcoin plays out in this big bear flag and plays here and then does a big drop. Or if we break out and we actually break out here, retest, head up, that means we bottomed. So that would be epic to see. On the daily, RSI is about to break a neckline and it's doing inverse head and shoulders with the RSI. Look at that, inverse head and shoulders. So we're going to get a big breakout on Bitcoin. Same here actually, inverse head and shoulders. Everyone seeing this? Inverse head and shoulders forming on Bitcoin. It's a W as well, but it's more than a W actually, because you've got like this. It's a big inverse head and shoulders here. Wow, I didn't even see that till just now. Awesome. And it matches because we've got volume spike on this shoulder, volume spike on the head, and volume spike on this shoulder. So this is a real correct inverse head and shoulders. And you can see it a bit more clearly on the hourly. The target for this breakout would be huge. If we break out to the upside here, this would be very good news for Bitcoin. We'll make this movement here, targeting 25,700, which will be beautiful. Let's see if Bitcoin manages to do that. RSI heading up on the 4 hourly. Let's go closer. It's making new highs. Stochastic is also heading up, quite overbought, but still heading up. Squeeze mob is still going to the green side. On the hourly, squeeze mob going to the green side, stochastic turning to head up, RSI heading up. So on the hourly, stochastic is good. 4 hourly, we're slightly overbought, so it can do a small correction in the next day. Daily, we're looking really good. Weekly, we're looking amazing. So this could be very good news for Bitcoin. I would stay in my long here. If you haven't opened a long, I would wait till Bitcoin broke out of this triangle. Now it's retesting it. So we had a symmetrical triangle here on the 15 minutes. Bitcoin built pressure, broke out and came back in. Now it bounced off and it's got a good amount of volume. So let's see how big this movement would be. I would go, so we've got a new pattern forming here. On the 15 minute, we've got this pattern. It's kind of ascending. So the target will be the top of this. But I would wait till a pullback before I went long. I would wait till a pullback to 21,200, then go long on Bitcoin. So I would go long here. So there's two trades that can be taken here. If you go long here with a breakout, this distance here, this one, from here to here, that will be the long. So if it breaks out, the target will be, it's a 3% gain. With 10x leverage will be 30% gain, 22,400, which will be beautiful. But we could actually take the trade from the breakdown first because it needs to reset the stochastic. So probably down here underneath the daily support and that breaking out there, that's a nice ratio trade to take on Bitcoin. But I would again wait till Bitcoin pulls back a little bit, opens the trade, then head up to take that long to 22,000. That's a nice risk to reward ratio, risking $157 to make $989, a 6.27 ratio trade. So with 10x leverage, that'll be $9,890 profits. 100x leverage will be $98,000 of profits. That's the long that I would take on Bitcoin. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, you can sign up down below to Bybit, sign up to that trading platform to trade. You can trade Bitcoin, buy altcoins, Ethereum. You can long, short. You can buy spot of Bitcoin and Ethereum. $4,450 deposit bonus when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. And join us in the Telegram live alerts group to see my trade. So I'm going to show you my trade. So once you sign up to Bybit, you get this link. I've got $224,887 in here. My account pumping up a lot. It was 170,000 or something a few days ago, so up around 50,000. I got USD 103,000, Bitcoin 3.6, Bitcoin 78,000. My Bitcoin long is pumping $4,827 in the profits. I used 5,900 to make 4,800, so my $6,000 turned into around about $11,000. which is beautiful. And that long is a $53,000 Bitcoin long, and it's still going. So I would set that long for Bitcoin. This one here, I'll share this inside the Telegram live alerts group as well. Let's check out Ethereum now. Whoops. Let's look at Ethereum and the total market cap. So now we're jumping into Ethereum. On the weekly, stochastic is very... See how I look at the stochastic first? Because it really gives you a good indicator. Weekly, stochastic is good. Daily, stochastic is overbought on Ethereum, but very bullish actually. We broke out of this big W formation, this one here. So, and I talked about this before it happened, and that trade is massively in the profits. Look at that trade that we opened on Ethereum, amazing. The target is still in play for Ethereum, targeting... the target was 1,671, and that is still in play. We broke out to the upside. We're looking good here. We can have a pullback in the short term. On the 4-hourly, stochastic also overbought, good volume coming in. It's still looking strong. On the hourly, coming down. So we're getting a little bit of a reset. So what I would do to go, if you haven't gone long on Ethereum right now, I would open a long. That's a bull flag, so I'd actually open the long now. So if you haven't gone long, I would open a long here. Let's move this. I'll keep this long because that was the one that that was when I predicted it. So I would go a new long from here, stop loss below that support area here, and take profit at the top of the same target. So if you haven't gone long in Ethereum, this is the long that I would take. Opening the trade now, it's a 3.23 ratio trade, so risking $1,000 will make you $3,230 unleveraged. So really nice risk to reward ratio trade. That's the one I will take on Ethereum. Now let's look at the crypto market cap of all cryptocurrencies. And then BNB I'll do in the next video if I have enough time today. Total market cap on the weekly, oversold, heading up. It looks very bullish. Daily, we're overbought. And we're at that strong resistance. Now we need to see a big breakthrough here. It's very important. But this is a bullish, this is what is this? It's a bullish triangle. Ascending triangle. So that's bullish, builds pressure and breaks out. So we're going to have a big movement on the total market cap. So all altcoins and crypto is going to pump. We're going to get a movement. If we can break out here, this resistance, the target will be 1.17 trillion. So this is an important moment for cryptocurrency. And it looks bullish. On the 4-hourly, we're overbought, but volume is picking up here. It looks good. I think the total market cap of all cryptos is about to have a big explosive movement up. The target will be 1.2 trillion, which is beautiful. Again, all your trading, you do it, sign up down below to Bybit, start trading. Use that link, 4,450. Join us in the Telegram live alerts group. In here, I have 2,000, we now have 2,900 members, almost 3,000 members, and I'm sharing trades in here, sharing gains. And these are some of the gains from yesterday from our students. 353% profit on Ethereum. I called that Ethereum. 311% profits on BNB, 389%. These are all inside the Telegram group. 55% on Ethereum in profits, 92% on Bitcoin, BNB long, Ethereum long 816%, BNB long 443%, all inside this free Telegram group. The link to the Telegram group again is in that description, and then you join that Telegram group, which is beautiful. Let's go over to Binance. In Binance today, I've got 193,000. This Binance account is up $1,696 today. Yesterday was up like $5,000, so making a lot of gains in here. I have 7 Bitcoin in here. That's why it's pumping, which is beautiful, and around 38,000 USD. So those are my trades for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and don't forget to check out Magicraft MCRT. Everyone, in my opinion, I'm not going to be buying this my own token because I don't want to inflate the price like myself. I don't want to affect the price. But in my opinion, it's very bottomed out here because of the market condition and the game. I cannot wait. As soon as we got strong bullish momentum in the market, we will be revealing the game, and it's going to blow your minds. This game is epic. I'm a gamer, and we built Magicraft to play to earn game. It's an amazing game. Market cap 1.6 million, fully diluted almost 16 million, $308,000 worth of volume in the last 24 hours. And this game is going to be huge. Pay attention to it. What MCRT is, it's the token that will be used inside the play to earn game for Magicraft. Magicraft is a battle kind of game where you PvP, you verse each other, and you win MCRT from the match. It's going to be epic. There's NFT integration. The gameplay is insane for PC, Android, iOS. I cannot wait to show you. The game is already almost complete. That's what's also really cool. And it's one epic game. I'm a gamer. I play Diablo, Lineage, StarCraft, Command & Conquer, everything. World of Warcraft, and this is the best game that it's one of the funnest games what we've created. I can't wait to show you. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash that thumbs up button, have an amazing Sunday. Congratulations on all the money we've been making. Join us on Bybit, sign up to my Bybit link. Even if you have another Bybit account, use that link down below. Love you all, have an amazing day, and I'll see you again tomorrow.